Guys, so today we have Carl and Jasper and Carl's new M3, and we're going to be installing a X-pipe. So we're going to start the car, back it up a little, and then drive it up the Rhino ramps. So we'll get a little before footage. Stock exhaust, very quiet. So Carl's car is lowered, which means it was harder to get up the ramp, so we had to use those little wood planks right there. But we got it up. Now we're gonna jack up the rear. But first we're gonna go to Dale's Hardware to get some bolts real quick, so that gives us enough time to let the exhaust cool down, and then we'll go bolt it off. So right now I'm just removing the aluminum under tray belly or underbelly thing. So it's a bunch of 16 millimeters and a couple 8 millimeters. So we'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Okay, so Ellie took off the X-pipe, the stock X-pipe. It's right over there. As you can see, it has two primary cats, 2 secondary cats, and 2 resonators.
This is the old X-pipe, and
here's the new one we're gonna give Carl. This one has 1 single resonator for the drone, while this one has resonator and 2 or 4 cats. So
4 cats.
yeah, a lot of cats. So let me bring this over. I'm gonna install this on Carl's car along with the test pipes.
Okay.
This one's a lot lighter too, so you get to save some weight too. Okay guys, so we got the new X-pipe installed right over there. So it should be a lot louder. Carl's gonna give it a nice cold start here, and then we're gonna see how loud it is on the cold start. This is still has the stock mufflers, but it has my old X-pipe with no cats and a set of resonators. I'd say it's about twice as loud, but he still has the stock muffler. So the stock mufflers don't really make a lot of noise. They really suppress the noise, so it's going to allow him to not have any drone. We are driving with the new exhaust, or the new X-pipe actually. Stock mufflers. Let's see how loud it sounds. Definitely louder than stock. You can hear it now. All right, here we go. Yeah, it's pretty dang quiet. So they can see. Oh gosh! It feels faster. It feels faster. First one. Oh god, that's so fun. That is much better than last time. Sounds really good. No drone at all. Just a nice rumbly V8 when you're cruising. Yeah. Okay, so we made it home, and Carl's car is running well. We do have a thermostat leak. It's somewhere in there, so we'll probably do a video tomorrow on that once he gets the O-rings. We're gonna replace the thermostat O-rings because there's a little bit of a coolant leak there. But for today, we successfully made the car louder, but not too loud. Sounds a lot better. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good evening.